Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tehzeeb sir, my dear students. And today, what we are going to learn here? Today, we are going to learn addition of money and subtraction of money. Got my points all? Today, we are going to learn addition of money and subtraction of money. These both things today we are going to learn. Got my points? So addition of money and its worksheet today we are going to learn. So now, my dear students, you are take your book, pen and your important things and sit properly, all my dear students. And then after we will move on to our chapter number 11. I hope you all remember what is the name of chapter number 11. And its name is what? Chapter number 11 and its name is what? Money. Okay, so now today we are going to learn about the addition of money. So my dear students, again I repeat for you, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of money. But today only we are going to learn only one topic, addition of money. What my points, all my dear students, what I am telling you, today only we are going to learn addition of money, nothing else. Okay, my dear. So what I am telling you, further we move on our exercise. Okay, so before starting our session, before starting addition of money, let's check today's quote and then after we will move on further. So now, my dear students, I am going to present today's quote. Got my points? Now I am going to present today's quote. Understood, all of you? So now I am presenting here today's quote. So what is today's quote? Always do your best. Always do your best means what? Always do we best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. Okay, means what you plant now, you will harvest later. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? So now I hope you all remember what is the name of this chapter. What is the name of this chapter, my dear students? Chapter number 11 and it's money. Okay, chapter number 11 and its name is money. Okay, my dear students, chapter number 11, its name is what? Money. Again and again I am repeating for you, my dear students. Again and again I am repeating for you, my dear. Okay, so now we will move on further. Adding and subtracting money. Our new topic is what? Adding and subtracting is money. See, my dear students, look at the picture. Well, look at the picture carefully. Look at the picture carefully, my dear students. Adding and subtracting money. Food court menu. This is a food court menu. Okay, this is the food court menu. Here is, see, my dear students, children are standing there. See, my dear student, here is what? Here is some children are standing there. Some children are standing there and they all are buying a food. Okay, means take a snack. And its a menu is here. Food court menu. First is dosa is 12 rupees. Idli is 7.15 paisa. Vada is 6.15 paisa. Milkshake is 20 rupees. Bhel is 15.25 paisa. Chaat is 13.15 paisa. Samosa is 10.25 paisa. And juice is 18 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? Again I am going to present as a opposite order. The juice is 18 rupees. Juice is how many rupees of juice? 18 rupees. Samosa is a 10.25 paisa. Chaat is 13.15 paisa. And bhel is 15.25 paisa. And milkshake is a 20. Milkshake is a 20 rupees. Vada is 6.15 paisa. Idli is 7.15 paisa. And dosa is a 12 rupees. Got my points, my dear students? So now here we will going to check the example number 1 and then after the example number B. So example 1 is what? Related about the what? Related about the addition. Okay, so now I am going to explain you here. First example, Arif had an idli and a juice. Okay, Arif had an idli and a juice. Okay, so Sunil had a vada and chaat. So how much did each pay? So what is the price of idli, my dear students? How much cost of the idli? So I am going to write here price of idli. Idli, my dear students, is how many rupees of idli? 7.15 rupees. Okay, idli is what? 7.15 paisa. And here is the what, my dear students? Juice. Juice is what? How many rupees of juice, all dear? See here, my dear students. All my dear students, see here properly. Idli is 7.15 paisa and juice is 1818 rupees. Got my points? So now juice is equal to juice rupees is how many, my dear students? 1818 rupees. Okay, my dear students. So this is the price of Arif snacks. Okay, so idli is 7.15 paisa and 18 rupees of juice. So one by one we do the addition. But here what I do the mistakes here, don't forget to put a after 0. See this. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, my dear students, you have to write these whole things as like that. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. See, here is the all discrimination. 0 plus 0 is equal to how many, my dear students? 0. And here is 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Any number add with a 0, so it's a answer is what? It's the main number. Answer is what, my dear students? Answer is main number. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. And then after, always you put the 0, it take place. It's as it is placed. Okay, if I put the 0 here, I put the point here. So again in downside I put the point as it is here. Okay, and again I put the point here. Got my point? So what to do? In all places, my dear students, in all places I put the in same point. Got my points? I put the same points. And 7 plus 8. So how many, my dear students? 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15 of 5 here and 1 is the form of carry. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15 of 5 here and 1 is a form of carry, my dear students. Understood? And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is what? 25.15 paisa. Got my point? 25.15 paisa. Arif did paid. I am writing here. Arif did pay how many, my dear students? 25.50 paisa. Put my points, all of you. This is our answer. Understood all? Arif did pay 25.50 paisa. Understood, my dear students? As like that we are going to learn. Now we are going to move on B. Okay, means Arif paid 25.15 paisa. Now here we will going to check about the Sunil. Okay, Sunil is buying. Okay, Sunil is bringing what, my dear students? Vada and chaat. So now let's check here how much price of the vada and chaat. Okay, so my dear students, check here. Price of the chaat is 13.15 paisa and vada is 6.15 paisa. What, my dear students? Vada's price is a 6.15 paisa and chart price is a 13.15 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points, all my dear students? Then after we will move on further, my dear students. Going to write these things. Sunil. So price of a Vada is how many rupees, my dear students? 6.15 paisa. And chart price is what? 13.25 paisa. Sorry, 30.15 paisa. Okay, 13 point. Chart price is what, my dear students? Chart price is 13.15 paisa. Okay, dear. Got my points? Understood, my dear all? So now here what we have to do? We have to do only the simple addition. Okay, 0 plus 0 is equal to how many, my dear students? 0. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 10 of 0 and 1. 0 I put as it is and 1 I was put as a form of carry. And in between here is the dot. So dot is what? Dot is as it is. So I put the dot here as it is. Here, here and here. Then after 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So 10 of 0 here and 1 as a form of carry. 1 plus this 1 is equal to 2. So answer is what? 2020 rupees. How much, my dear students? 2020 rupees. So Sunil did pay how many rupees, my dear students? 20 rupees. Got my points, my dear students? Sunil did pay 20 rupees. Okay, my dear students, Sunil paid 20 rupees. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points all? Okay, and then after we will move on further. Our next sum is the subtraction. Okay, so what we have to do in the subtraction? In subtraction we have to do the subtract. Okay, only we have to do subtract. So now you note down this, my dear students, and then we will move on further. Note down these whole things, my dear students, and then after we will move on further all. Try to write these all things, my dear students, in the book. I hope you have done, dear all students. So then after we will move on further. Okay, so now we will move on further, my dear students. Question number B. Okay, Arif give the man a 15 rupees. So how much money did he get back? Okay, we can return 15 as a 15.00. Here's what we called this point is called a point, and after 00. Okay, line up the points, subtract as you would subtract any number. Do not forget the point in the answer. Means compulsory we have to put the points. What, my dear students? Compulsory we have to put the points. Compulsory we have to put the points between a writing the subtracting money. So now note down this question number, means example number 2 and its question all. So again I repeat for you, Arif give the man 15 rupees. So how much Arif has rupees? Arif has 15 rupees. And how much money did he get back? We can write a 5015 as a 15, 5015 as a 15 rupees. What my points, my dear students? Understood all of you what I am telling you? So line up the point, subtract as you would subtracting any number. Do not forget the points in the answer. Okay? What my points all? So now we have to do the subtracting. Subtract here all. 5015 minus 25 paisa. Okay. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and here 0 minus 5. Okay, 0 minus 5. Okay, means what we have to do? We have to put the as it is a 15 paisa here. And here what to do, my dear student? Subtraction. What all, dear students? Subtraction. So 0 minus 5. So it is not possible. So what to do that time? That time I am taking the borrow there. Okay. That time I am taking the borrow. Here I am taking the borrow. And cut the, how many, my dear students? Cut this further number. Okay. It's a what there? I am going to put this. So here I am taking the borrow here. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. So how many, dear? 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So I put a 5. Okay. And then further line up the point. So points means dot is here. So I put the dots here as it is. Okay. Then after further digit is 0. Further digit is 0. Okay. So again is 10 is come. Okay, 0 minus 4 is not possible, we cut. So any digit is not there, so I cut there. Okay, and it's coming a 9, but 9 is not there. I put here how many, my dear students? 9. Okay, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. So how many, my dear students? Do with your finger 9 minus 5. So it's 4. So I am writing here the 4, and then after cut the further digit 5. I am cut the further digit 5. Cut the further digit 5, and then put the 4, dear. Okay, and then after put the 4. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, my dear students, see here. Cut the 5 and put the 4. 4 minus 2. So how many, my dear students? 2 is left. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Got my points? Understood all of you? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So answer is what? 24.15 paisa. How many, dear all? 24.15 paisa. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, dear all. So now note down this answer, 24.15 paisa. How many? 24.15 paisa. And then after we will move on our further addition worksheet of addition, means adding a money, addition of money. Okay. So now you note down this all sums, and then after we will move on further, dear all. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, and I hope now you have done. So we will move on further, my dear. This is the one worksheet. Okay, so one by one I am going to present of all things, my dear students, for you all. See, how many rupees is here? Here is the 20 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes. 20 plus 10. How many? 30, 30. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30, my dear students. Okay. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 5 rupees coin. 35. 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2. So how many, my dear students? 37. So it is 37 rupees are here. Okay. Question is what, my dear students? Here is the price of toys is 4014 rupees. Okay. So how many notes or how many coins we want to making a 4014 rupees? Got my points, my dear students? How many notes or how many coins we want to making a 4014 rupees, dear all? Understood? So now what is the price of aeroplane? Aeroplane price is 4014 rupees. Okay. So how many I am going to take the notes? 20 rupees one notes. Here is 20 rupees one notes. Then after again 10 rupees notes. It's a 10 plus 10 is equal to how many, my dear students? 30. Okay, but no need to taking a 30. Here I am going to take a 10 rupees notes. How many, my dear students? 10 rupees notes. Then after 10 rupees notes here all. Then after again is how many, my dear students? How much? Sorry. How much? 10 rupees. And again 10 rupees. Otherwise I am taking here a 20 rupees one notes. Okay. Again otherwise I am taking a 20 rupees one notes. So it make how much, my dear students? 20 rupees. Got my points? 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10 is equal to how many? 13, 13 plus 10 is equal to how many, dear all? 14. Okay, otherwise I am taking here 2 20 rupees notes, otherwise 1 20 rupees notes and 1 10 rupees notes, sorry 2 10 rupees notes and 1 20 rupees note. Otherwise 2 10 rupees notes and 4 5 rupees coins. Okay, got my points? Understood, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So now you note down this all things, my dear students, and further we will move on next objects. So you note down this all things, dear all, in your book properly. Do fast. Then after we will move on further. Note down this all things, and compulsory you have to, my dear students, compulsory you have to write this symbol of money. Okay, this symbol, see, the symbol of Indian currency, money. Got my points, all of you? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on further. A strawberry. Okay, it's a 10 rupees. How many, my dear students? It's a 10 rupees. And how we will make a 10 rupees? So I am going to clarify here. 5 rupees. Then after here is 5 rupees. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. It will be a make a 10 rupees. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Otherwise, my dear students, I am taking a 10 rupees notes only. Got my points? Otherwise, what I am using there? Otherwise, I am using there a 10 rupees notes. Single notes of 10 rupees. Single notes of 10 rupees. Understood all? Note down this answer, dear, and then we will move on further. And then after, my dear students, apple. Then after I am move on further. Okay, it's what? Apple. So now what is the price of, how much price of the apple? 1,515. So dear, now 110 rupees notes. Here I am using here a 110 rupees notes and 5 rupees coin. Okay dear. So it's make a dear what? It's make a 15. Okay, so note down these all things, my dear students. I hope you all are understood, dear all. Okay, thank you so much all of you. Thank you from watching this video. Thank you, my dear students.